Lunchtime.
Auntie, why you don't have a boyfriend?
What a boyfriend? What boyfriend?
Why?
What why?
A boyfriend.
What's that boyfriend?
It means a boy.
A boy. A friend, a boy.
Yeah.
How you learn that one? A boyfriend.
I don't know.
And then why you ask?
Because I want to know.
You want to know why I don't have a boyfriend?
Yeah.
Because I have all girlfriends. I don't have boyfriends.
You don't like?
I don't like.
Why you don't like?
I only like girlfriends. No boyfriends.
Beautiful.
No.
Only like
My
you.
girlfriends is plastic. You know what is plastic?
No. This is a plastic.
Me plastic?
Yeah.
Limas maninood.
You remember?
Mga
I
unda
eat
siya.
the cheese and then I finish it and the cheese and then I see how a mouse is inside the cheese.
Hurry up. You
How
only
can
have 10
I
minutes.
see the cheese?
See? Only have 10 minutes.
So funny.
Wow. No aircon.
Because you are plastic.
Plastic.
You. You plastic.
Grabe makatanong.
You plastic.
Bakit wala kang boyfriend?
Lola cow mo.
Wow, what? Ang ulam ko dahil kay kuan. Upo na may sardinas.
I love this weekend.
And then, chicken wing. Chicken wing, chicken wing.
No, and then chicken auntie. And then chicken auntie. Hello, chicken auntie.
Halo.
Hello, plastic auntie.
You plastic.
Hello, sweetheart.
I not call you now, darling, because you call me plastic. Imagine, paano niya nalaman na plastic ako? Saan niya narinig yung term na yun? I know ko.
Aku susu. Aku